everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I'm very excited. I have got another UMIKK gel polish collection for you here. It looks so pretty. I'm literally so excited to swatch these today. This is the VIVACITY summer collection. It is £25.99 on Amazon UK. It's super affordable. You have 21 colours. You also get a base coat, a matte top coat and a glossy top coat. The first set I tried of UMIKK's was absolutely incredible. It was so pigmented, great selection of colours, beautiful formula, beautiful packaging. Literally could not hype on it enough. It was absolutely bang on. This one, slightly different packaging and everything, but I just know it's going to be absolutely incredible and I can't tell you how excited I am. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be swatching them all. I'm going to matte top them, I'm going to glossy top coat them. I'm going to do my usual business, but I can't wait. I know these are going to be fantastic colours. So let's dive into the video. Before I do, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, let's dive into this box. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's really simplistic, but looks really elegant, really nice, and just very well packaged considering how many bottles it's got inside of it. Now these are what the bottles look like. Aren't they beautiful? I love a square bottle. I love how tall they are. They've got nice long handles on them. They're super shiny. They're glass bottles. They've got that gorgeous silver font embossed into the glass. Gorgeous silver lid. I really like the bottles. You also have the little swatch sticker on top that says what colour it is and what number the product is as well. These just look absolutely incredible and I cannot wait to dive into the colours. So the colour gel is only 5ml, but trust me, that goes a long way because these are so pigmented that the vast majority of them you only need one coat. And I know that before I've even swatched them because of the last collection. Oh my god, it is incredible. So I just know they're going to be amazing. And then the base gel and the two top coats are 10ml bottles as well, which is a really good size. And then matte top coat, wow, it is just perfect. It is incredible. It's definitely my favourite matte top coat. I love it so much. But you guys will see anyway, it's truly beautiful. Okay, so I have got my swatch sticks at the ready. I'm just going to stick on some music because there's quite a lot of colours here. We've got 21 colours to swatch today. So I'm not going to sit here waffling throughout them all. Oh, look at that. Okay, but yeah, I'm going to stick on some music, I'm going to swatch them all and I'll get back to you at the end and show you all the colours, matte top coated and glossy top coated. But yeah, I'm going to start off with this beautiful one. I can't wait, but yeah, enjoy. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so that is all of them swatched. I'm just going to run through the colours with you while I talk. But wow, I love them. I think it's one of my favourite collections I've ever received. We've got a shimmery pink, we've got a sort of light pink, we've got a white, a baby yellow, we've got a gorgeous, gorgeous green, turquoise, shimmery. That one is quite sheer, but it's more of a top of that one, I think. Gorgeous. So look at that blue, look at both them blues. So look at them all. They're all very opaque. Like, I've just given these one coat. That purple shimmer, and they all look incredible, matte and glossy as well. But like that one again is more of a topper, but you know, put it over something like that. Look at that, beautiful. We've got a lilac, we've got that orange. I love that orange. That one as well. This mustardy orangey yellow, beautiful, beautiful. It's like an orangey, I don't know, it's like a neon orange, but it's just kind of got that like yellow tone to it. I love it. Another yellow, like sunflower yellow, pink. The red's a little bit sheer again, but it's beautiful colour, absolutely beautiful colour. The hot pink, and wow, look at that one. I'm obsessed. I really do think this is one of my favourite collections I've ever had. That amount of colour there is so satisfying. I love, 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 love loads of bright colours. I'm very excited about these. The formula is beautiful. They are so pigmented. I really, really, really love them. The brushes are really nice. They're not too big and bulky. They are nice square brushes. The formula, you know, it's beautiful. It's not too thick, it's not too runny. There is literally no odour with them. The handles feel really comfortable. I like these extra slightly long handles. They're really nice. The matte top coat, like I said, I love their matte top coat. It's my favourite matte top coat. It's a really good consistency again. It's beautiful. It is so matte. It's true matte. There's no weird sheen to it or nothing. Their glossy top coat again is really, really, really nice. Not too thick, not too runny again. It's just beautiful. It's a truly, truly beautiful collection. I have not got a bad word to say about UMIKK and their gel polishes. They are just so, so, so nice. I love them so much. Oh, I just can't, like, look how satisfying that is. All them colours. I really truly believe this is one of the best affordable brands out there. I am seeing them absolutely everywhere at the minute. They are being very much hyped on, and you can see why, because they are really, really freaking beautiful gel polishes. I really can't get enough of them. And yeah, I'm absolutely buzzing about these. I think they, yeah, just beautiful. I've probably said beautiful about 30 times. I do apologise. I'm very repetitive, I know. But when I get excited, like, I'm excited, and yeah. But anyways, yeah, that is all of them swatched. Like I said, not a bad word to be said about this company at all. They are thoroughly, thoroughly high up there on my recommendation list. They are so affordable. They are top quality gels. They've got a massive selection to pick from. And yeah, they're just truly top notch, amazing, absolutely incredible. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Sorry for my irritating excitableness. I can't help myself. But yeah, that is it for today. I've really enjoyed filming these. I've literally been in awe of every colour that I have swatched here. I just love them. Truly love them. So yeah, I will link them in the description box if you'd like to check them out for yourself. Like I said, this kit on Amazon UK is £25.99, which is really affordable. 21 colours plus the 2 top coats and the base coat. So yeah, go check them out. Trust me, you will not be disappointed with a kit like this. They are incredible. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!